Friends, if you watch this full video, it will be very useful for you guys because this will be quite different from the other review videos. So I'll get to the point straight away. I will provide you a 40 or 30 US dollar discount code in the description below. All you have to do is go straight to the FIIO audio store on AliExpress, which is this here, and apply this code when you purchase K13 R2R. I'm surprised at those people who buy products at their original price. How crazy is this? Save 40 US dollar now and add 20 US dollar more and get a JT3 headset because 10 US dollar discount code is available for it too. All discount codes are available in the description. These codes are valid for all products on AliExpress in almost countries, so must use them before purchasing anything on AliExpress. You guys must be wondering why I'm talking these points, because I don't see products by their original price. I always see how low you can get it. It's better for overall comparison and reviews. So without further delay, let me give you a clean unboxing of this K13 R2R. So enjoy. By the way, this box is 1.55 kg. Friends, welcome to my review section. You have saw the unboxing already, so you must know what you get in the package. Let's start my review. It will be very short and straight to the point. I won't teach you how does it work because quick start guide is available. I'll share the details of quick start guide relevant pages to you. Pause the video to see. I'll just tell you how I feel about it. The first thing is that it is so beautiful, like it is one of the beautiful DACs you'll see on the market. In my opinion, if you add a little transparent body to any product, it will look great. The second thing which I really like is also important for you to know it. I haven't seen so much better EQ in any other device except this. It was truly impressive. You will get pre-installed EQ options, plus your own choice list of EQ options are available too, so it is fully customizable. There was so much difference in all of the pre-installed EQs. It was an amazing experience. It has a lot of power to manage your high-end devices too, so that's good. The Bluetooth connectivity is another feature which impressed me a lot. It's very easy to operate. And last thing is the remote. What's the best you can get? Remote works very fast and smooth. So it's a proper upgrade over K11 R2R. I really like it and it looks very beautiful on my desk. Here ends my review. It's a flagship DAC with budget price, so I recommend it, but must use the discount code to get it more cheaper and then come back to thank me in the comment section. I'm sorry if I missed or didn't comment on anything you were looking for, but there was no reason to drag the review unnecessarily long because it's an already established good device just like K11 R2R. Have a good day. Thank you.